How to make security camera footage in After Effects. First, I'm adding tints to turn the footage black and white. Then I apply Posterize Time to lower the frame rate and get a typical choppy surveillance style of motion. Next up is noise, to add some digital grain and make the footage feel more real and gritty. Don't forget to turn off use color noise. With Optic Compensation, I introduce a bit of lens distortion, simulating the wide-angle look of security cameras. Now I'm using curves to slightly darken the image and push in a bit of green. Now create an adjustment layer and put it on the top of the footage. Next effects we will apply on this adjustment layer. I also drop in Venetian Blinds, thin horizontal lines across the frame to mimic screen scan lines. For horizontal lines, just make direction 90 degrees. Lower the number of width to make lines smaller and add some feather to make it soft. Then I use CC Vignette to darken the edges and help focus the viewer eye toward the center. And finally, I overlay a timecode to make the whole thing feel like an actual recorded security feed. Pro tip! To add final touch, I found these footage glitches. Just put it on the top of the layers and in blending mode choose Add. And you are done! Good job! Please leave subscribe if you like this video and see you soon.